up? Cook with Adam. We're making coq au vin with bone-in chicken and mashed potatoes. Stay tuned. Just a few things. If you need the recipe guide, there's a link in the description. Click on there. Should go to the site. You can follow step by step. If you need any of the cooking tools I use on this video or any of my other videos, link in the description and link on the website. And finally, this meal is being brought to you by Home Chef, so if you try them out, special deal in the link in the description and as well as the link on the website. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video as well as all my other videos, please consider smashing that like button. So with that said, let's get it. For ingredients, ladies and gents, here are the ingredients we're working with tonight. We have 1 ounce of butter. Make sure you let it soften to room temperature before you start. 3 thyme sprigs. 12 ounces of Yukon potatoes. 6 ounces Cremini mushrooms. 3 ounces of pearl onions. 2 bone-in skin-on chicken breasts. Approximately 16 ounces total. So you can see that. There we go. 5 fluid ounces of red cooking wine. And last, but certainly not least, 2 teaspoons of chicken Demi-Glace. Much for this meal, but you do need some of the basics, as always. Medium pan, small to medium pot. You'll need a baking sheet. You need some Reynolds wrap or aluminum foil, favorite knife, some cooking spray, some olive oil. You'll need salt and pepper. You need 2 bowls to slice and dice the thyme and the mushrooms. And you'll need some measuring spoons, or you can wing it. And something that'll help a lot would be potato smasher. Right, here's what we're doing tonight. We're going to cut the potatoes into 2-inch pieces. We're going to mince destem and mince the thyme, and we're going to thinly slice about 1/4 inch for the mushrooms. We're going to add the potato to the pot. Pinch of salt. And a few cups of water. Set to a boil for 16 to 20 minutes. We're now going to put some salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken. And by now you want to reduce the flame on the potatoes to a simmer. Should take about probably 2 or 3 minutes, depending on the size of your pot, to get to boiling point. That should be ready in a few minutes as well. Well, not a few minutes, 8 minutes. So when that boils, we're going to take care of the chicken. We're just going to put salt and pepper both sides again, and just sear it for about 3 minutes, skin side down. into the pan. Alright, so we're going to add a little olive oil. Nice coating. And chicken. Skin side down for about 3 minutes. From medium to high flame. Now we're going to cook the veggies. A little olive oil. Low medium flame. And for about 4 minutes we're going to cook the mushrooms. Alright, now we're going to add the pearl onions and a pinch of salt. Cook for another 4 minutes. I'm going to add the veggies to the baking sheet and then put it back in the oven for about another 9 minutes. Go into the oven. We're going to now mash the potatoes. It's always very hot, so please be careful. I'm going to put approximately half of the butter into the pot. I want a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. I may need more, so you got to taste it. See how it tastes to your requirements. But we'll start with there and then adjust as necessary. So, add a little more salt and pepper. And a pinch of water to get a little bit softer. You just add the water as you need until you get the consistency of the potatoes that you want. We're relatively smooth. See how it goes. There we go. We're now going to make the sauce. So we're going to open the packet of Demi-Glace. Add that to the pan. And also 5 fluid ounces of red cooking oil. We're on a low to medium flame. Just let it cook for about 4 minutes. You want to combine. Alright, we're now going to cut the heat, add the butter, and half the thyme, stir. I'm now going to plate the dish. Alrighty, so we're going to add the sauce as a base. We're going to take one piece of chicken and veggies. There is today's meal. Stay tuned for the rest. The meal was fantastic. Nothing I would change. The only thing I missed when I plated the dish was the potatoes. My apologies. There is mashed potatoes, as you saw me do in the previous section. Anyway, so no real changes to the meal. Maybe the mashed potatoes could be a little more creamier. Maybe add some milk or so a little bit more butter. The mushrooms, delicious. The pearl onions, delicious. Chicken, fantastic. The red wine reduction does take a strong flavor over all the veggies and the chicken, but it is a nice sweet flavor if you like, you know, a sweet taste to your food. So that's my thoughts. Any questions, comments, concerns? Message directly or comment below. Have you made this? What do you think? Let us know. Until next time, keep cooking.